bên cái hin pe về nắng ho sa hin sa lên một số đi.
Hello Manipur, hello Northeast people, welcome back again, your African boys here, myself Gabs from South Sudan.
And myself Muhammad Hagu from Sudan.
Yeah, so we are all from Sudan, guys, and today we have one suggested music video, guys, by the name CHIKIM CHUNNU, not Chunnu, Chunnu. Yeah. This is Manipur. You can tell us, guys, in Manipur actually we don't know which language do you guys speak, because I know so much about Meghalaya only. Like in Meghalaya, people of Kasi people, they speak Kasi, and there is Panar language, and Panar Kasi language. So tell me, Manipur people, which language do you speak, and what does it mean by CHIKIM CHUNNU, guys? Actually, there is so much going in Manipur. So our prayers with you guys, wishing you all the best. So let's check this music here by Lhingneichong Haokip. We also have Tracy Ngaiching Gangte. Sorry guys if I pronounce wrong. The name is really so tough to pronounce, guys. So anyway, we are going to check it out, guys. We have a lot of reaction already done in Manipur, and we also reacted so much to people of Meghalaya. Just check out, guys, if you are watching from Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya. This channel is for Northeast people especially. Subscribe, stay tuned, and let's go. CHIKIM CHUNNU. CHIKIM CHUNNU. Words and tune. Boy music. Here are the singers, artists. These are the three singers who sang this song. All ladies. Special thanks. Audio sponsor. This is the sponsor of audio. Lord Aldafa Burushi Amdo video sponsors. Thank you.
Tình làm khăn khô đinh kéo non xiết lấy buồn nao về nó gấm lấy nộp lại tua số mai kim thề giống lệ dùng gắm mơ kỳ kim tan thề áo xin lâu dễ đâu cần nắm lại dồn trên xa lũ lại dồn gần hàng trên phố xa lũ giờ nó sang bên cái hin về nắng hô ra đến giờ lên một số đi ô CHIKIM CHUNNU chen cả lệ mau thô nghe sẽ nàng quay chiêng hồi ra tham đen hít ta lại dồn chiêng hồi ya tham đen hít đại mồ vẫn chơi chiêng hồi ba hít ta áo xin lâu dễ đâu cần nắm lại dồn chiêng xa lũ lại dồn ngàn hàng chiêng hồ xa lũ ra na sang bên cái hin về nắng hô ra đến giờ lên một số đi.
It's really so sad to see, guys. We had time for Manipur. And you're so amazing, guys. We wish you know justice, peace, harmony, guys.
Bồ na vang khô trên lùm mây xin aku tay in lại dùng thì san lon vết sâu hi lâu alim sa singin ei oi na vim tem CHIKIM te i vai hei ta xin lâu dễ đâu cần nắm lại dồn trên xa lũ lại dồn gần hàng se lung hat kisau itin alin sagarang ho galo tutin nang ho ke ho tin ki hen ho itin ngai lut nam lo hom tao te tao ha se lo kanam lai zom se sa lu lai zon gar ham se ho sa lo sa na sang pen ka hin pe pe nang ho sa hin sa len ho so hi hen sa lo sa na sang pen ka hin pe pe chikim te din ai ho ma loi hen chikim te din ai ho ma loi
Okay, guys, this is really so sad, guys. I think most of the song we are reacting to Manipur people. It's mostly sad song due to the current bad situation which is happening in Manipur due to the tribal fighting, and it is so sad seeing this video, guys. I was always wishing to share happiness with you guys, same like how I used to react to Meghalaya people, mostly their love song, to see their talent, their sharing love, peace. But in Manipur, it's so opposite, and this is how life will be going, guys. One day it will be happiness, another day it will be sorrow for people. So we have nothing much to say. This song is actually dedicated to the lost soul. Like in Manipur, so many people they lost their soul. They lost, yes, a lot of people died within this ongoing war, ongoing fight between the two tribes. So we have no much to say, but we are just praying for peace, justice, and to Manipur people. May their government and the people come into solution, guys. So this is what I can say from my side, and my brother here can speak something little.
I feel so sad to see that, and I wish you a safe life. May God accept these people. They died.
Our prayer with you guys.
Yeah,
This is the
I
only
pray
thing.
for you also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
rest in peace, guys, to all the people, to
Yes.
all the people who lost their life within this ongoing war. It is really so sad, and nothing much to say, guys. Hopefully, if you believe in God, everything is going to be okay one day, one time. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Peace
much.
from Africa.